Welcome to Car Vibes. Today we're taking a nostalgic look at one of the most iconic sedans in automotive history, the Toyota Corolla from the old generation. Known for its bulletproof reliability, practical design, and value-for-money ownership, the old gen Corolla left a strong impression on drivers across the world. It may not be the most exciting car to talk about today, but when it comes to consistency, comfort, and durability, the old Corolla stands as a benchmark. Starting with the exterior, the design of the older Corolla was always about simplicity and clean lines. Depending on the model year, you'll notice subtle variations in the front grille and bumper designs, but the theme remains timeless. The headlamps are large and clear, designed for maximum visibility, and the wide, horizontal stance gives it a grounded look. It's not flashy or aggressive, but it carries a refined elegance that makes it look respectable in any setting. The body proportions are balanced, with smooth curves and functional aerodynamics that still hold up. Chrome accents around the grille and window lines add a touch of premium feel, and while the wheel designs were modest, they match the car's conservative styling perfectly. Inside, the cabin is where the Corolla's strength truly shines. Step in, and you're greeted with a spacious, no-nonsense layout. The dashboard is well organized, made with quality materials that have aged gracefully in most well-maintained units. The analog instrument cluster is clean and easy to read, and the center console features practical controls that are placed exactly where you'd want them. Older models might not have a touchscreen or digital displays, but what they offer is reliability. The manual air conditioning system, rotary knobs, and physical buttons work seamlessly even after years of use. Seat comfort is surprisingly good, with ample cushioning and lumbar support. The rear seat space is generous, providing good legroom and headroom, making the Corolla an excellent car for both driver and passengers. When it comes to performance, the old Corolla may not be sporty, but it's built for long-lasting dependability. Most models came with a 1.3 to 1.8-liter petrol engine, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. These engines are known for their smooth power delivery, low maintenance costs, and excellent fuel economy. While acceleration is modest, the car feels steady and composed on highways and perfectly at home in urban traffic. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up road imperfections without feeling too soft. The Corolla's driving experience is calm and confident, prioritizing ease over excitement. What really made the Corolla a household name was its exceptional reliability. Owners have reported driving these cars well past 200,000 kilometers with minimal mechanical issues. Routine maintenance is affordable, and spare parts are widely available, making it a smart long-term investment. The fuel efficiency figures vary between 13 to 17 kmpl, depending on the engine and driving style, which was impressive for its time. Pricing today depends on the condition, model year, and location. A well-maintained used Toyota Corolla from the old generation can range between 2.5 Indian rupees lakh to 6 Indian rupees lakh in the Indian market, and it's still considered one of the best value pre-owned sedans available. For someone looking for a reliable second car or a durable first vehicle, the Corolla continues to make a strong case. The old gen Toyota Corolla may not turn heads, but it wins hearts. With its solid build, practical interior, smooth performance, and unbeatable reputation for reliability, it's a car that delivers what matters most. Even today, it stands as a reminder of how good automotive engineering can be when focused on the essentials.